Exercise 1.1. This is the first question. We have to express each number as a product of its prime factors. Now, the first number is 140. 140, if you divide by 2, it will be 70. Divided by 2, it will be equal to 35. And divided by 5, it will be equal to 7. So the prime factors, we can write this as 2 multiplied by 2 into 5 into 7. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. Similarly, for the second question, this is 156. And if we will do prime factorization of it, divided by 2, it will be equal to 78. Divided by 2, this is 39. Divided by 3, this is 13. So this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 into 13. So this will be equal to 2 square 3 into 13. Now the third one is, it is 3825. If we will divide 3825, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 3, 18. That means it can be divided by 3. It cannot be divided by 2 because 5 is the last digit, which is odd. So we can divide by 3. It will be equal to 1, 2, 7, 5. Again, if we will divide by 3, we will get it is 425. And even divided by 5 plus 2, 7, 11, no, we can divide by 5. So it will be equal to 5885. Now if we will divide by 5, it will be equal to 17. So it will be equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. So this is equal to 3 square into 5 into 17. And next is 5005. 5005, if we divide it, 5005, we can divide it by 5. So it will be equal to 1001. Now 1001, we can divide by 7. 7 1 is 7, 330, 7 4 is 28, 2 1 21, 7 3 is that is 143. And 143 we can divide by 11. 11 1 is 11, 3 3 33, 11 3 is 33. So we can write this as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So last question now is 7429. 7429. Now 7429, it cannot be divided by 2 because last digit is 9. 9 is an odd number. Again 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, that is 15 plus 7, 22. Cannot be divided by 3 also. Cannot be divided by 5 also. So in this way, if you check the first, we can divide by 17. 17, so if we divide by 17, we will get, it is 17 4 is 68, that is 68, 6 to 62, 7 3 is 51, the 11, 119, that is 7, 437. Again 437, if we divide by 19, then it will be equal to 9 2 is 38, 5 57, 9 3 is 57. That means that is 17 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 23. This is the prime factorization of 7429. This one. Now the second question. Find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into SCF is equal to product of two numbers. Now first we have to do the prime factorization. For 26, if we will do the prime factorization, it will be equal to 2 into 13. Similarly for 91, if we will do prime factorization, it is 7 into 13. So SCF is the highest common factor. Highest common factor meaning we have to take the lowest power of the common factors present in two numbers. The lowest power here, the common factors, common prime factors is 13. We have to take the lowest power, that is, here it is 1, here it is 1, both are same, so we can take it as 13 to the power 1, that is 13. And for LCM we have to take the highest power of each prime factor. Here prime factors are 2, 7 and 13 for both the numbers I am talking about. For 2 its highest power is 1, that is 2 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1, also 13 to the power 1. That will be equal to 13 7 ja, it is 91 into 2, 182. That is SCF, and we have to verify that LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. And the product of the two numbers is now here 26 into 91. That should be equal to 13 into 182. If we will check 13 into 182, that is same as 13 into 2 into 91. That is same as 26 into 91, which is the product of two numbers. So hence it is verified. Both are same. Also by multiplying you can write the result here. Both will be same. For the second one we can write for 510 and 92. 510, if you will do the prime factorization, first 510 you divide by 2, it will be equal to 510 divided by 2, that is 255. It is 12, that is 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12. So we can divide by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 1 5 15, 3 5 ja 15, divided by 5, it will be equal to 17. So that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Similarly now for 92, we can write divided by 2, it will be equal to 46, divided by 2, it will be equal to 23. Now SCF is the highest common factor, or we have to take the lowest power of the common factors. Here it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, all having power 17, all having power 1. Here 2 to the power 2 into 23. Only the common factor is 2 here. And what we have to take? We have to take the lowest power of the common factor, that is equal to 2. So SCF will be equal to 2. What about LCM? We have to take the highest power of each prime factor. Here the prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 17 and 23. So we have to take the highest power. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 into 17 into 23. So if we will calculate, it will be equal to 4 into 3, 12 into 5, that is 60, that is equal to 60 into 17 into 23, which will be equal to 23460. Now the product of this SCF and LCM, if you will write, SCF is 2, SCF into LCM is equal to 2 into 23460, which is equal to product of the two numbers, that is 510 into 92. You see, if you will multiply this, it will be equal to 0, 92, 46. And if you multiply these two, it will be equal to 46920. So SCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Next is 336 and 54. For third one, 336 we have to do the prime factorization. 336 we can write it is 2. 336 if we'll divide by 2, it will be equal to 168 divided by 2, it is 84 divided by 2, it is equal to 42 divided by 2, 21 divided by 3, it will be equal to 7. So it will be 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. Similarly 54, another number was 54. If you'll see, it is 54. So 54 we can write divided by 2, it will be 27. 27. If we'll divide by 3, it is 9 divided by 3 into 3. So it will be equal to 2 into 10 to 3 to the power 3. Now SCF of 336 and 54 will be equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. What about LCM? LCM of these two numbers will be equal to, LCM is equal to 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3 into 7. So it will be equal to 16 into 9 into 3, 21. 3 into, like this, that is 144 into 21, and this will come to be 3024. 20 means 144, 288. This will be 3024. So now SCF into LCM, this is equal to 3024 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 44118. And if you multiply the two numbers, product of numbers, then product of numbers will be equal to 336 into 54, which is equal to 18144. Hence SCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Thank you.